Hey, y'all. I'm back. And what am I back doing? Hold on. Okay, I'm back to talk to y'all about this, I guess, Bella Thermal workout trainer. I have been looking at these for a long time, but never pulled the trigger on them because of the price, probably. And also I wasn't consistent with working out, but I think it was more so because of the price. And I've tried other ones you could buy in the store. Them things hurt. They are not comfortable. And so, you know, I came across a sister page. I don't know how I came across this page. I think it was in a Instagram ad or something like that. It came across my feed and I went to go see what it was about. And I said, okay, so I thought about it and just looked through her feed, looked through YouTube, and, you know, it was a lot of ladies, you know, wearing it, all different sizes, not somebody who done had plastic surgery or tummy tuck and, you know, putting on a band because they really didn't do the work, you know, the surgeon did. So I wanted to see some normal people who, you know, big girls like myself who's working out, trying to lose their stomach, especially after multiple kids. You know, your muscles get blown out and it's stretched out, you know, from being overweight. So I wanted to see some real ladies using this, and it was a lot of them that just came in on their own, showed their results from using it. And I went ahead and I pulled the trigger. Shipped fast. One night I was, you know, just on Instagram, couldn't go to sleep, and saw that they was having a sale. So I went on and was like, I think this particular one is like $90, something like that. And it was $50 something, $60, I believe, with shipping a tax or whatever. So I was like, let me go ahead and jump on this. But according to the waist measurements, I needed a 2XL, and they had already sold out of the 2XL. And so I've seen some ladies who look like their stomach and stuff was bigger than mine, and they was talking about they was in an extra large. So I said, you know what, it's on sale. Let me try this extra large and hopefully I could get it on. Now let me tell y'all, I think I threw out my left shoulder and put on the workout trying to get this hoe on, but I got it on. Cause let me tell you, I was like, you gonna get this on. And I sat there and I worked with it, laid down on the bed, got it zipped up a little bit of the way, stood up, pulling it with 2 hands. I got it on. It took me about 10 minutes, but I got it on. I said, I ain't gonna take it off because I don't know if I'm gonna work out today. I'm just being lazy. But this is by Lubella Fashion after 3 minutes of all of that. This is a small black-owned business sister. She's out of Snellville, Georgia. I ain't never heard of Snellville, Georgia, but she's out of Snellville, Georgia. I believe I bought this over the weekend, like Friday, Saturday, late in the night. And it shipped out. I think it was, I ordered it on the 14th. And I think she shipped it out Saturday. So I want to say that was Friday. I ordered it. It shipped out Saturday and it came today. So basically, you go like that. It's a little hook up at the top up here that you can hook it on. It comes down to right here. It comes just a little bit below your chest. It does not roll up. One of the things she said that she watched from other companies is that, you know, the thing comes all the way down to the back. And she noticed that a lot of them will roll up, especially in the back. And so she basically designed hers around being comfortable, not rolling up, you know, hitting the points where it needs to hit and not, you know, being uncomfortable. And I would say it is snug, but I'm not uncomfortable. It's not like I can't breathe. and it does hide up under the clothes where, you know, if you want to wear it to work or whatever. As you can see, especially with a more flowy shirt, you can't see, you know. And it's soft. The inside is not like some of those you would get. They would be like, I don't know, like almost like that foam type of rubber material. I'm not getting that from this one. It may be some type of, it's not, it doesn't feel like a foam plastic type of material. So I would say this is, it's comfortable. You know, she got, you can't really see it because it's in gold against the black, but it's a lady. And then it says Lubella. She also has workout clothes as well as the belt. And then she has another type of belt. That one was sold out. I guess people like that one more than this one. And that one was $100, but it was sold out. It's pink. And then she also has a sweat top for men. Oh, I thought my camera was about to fall. She also has a sweat top for men as well. So she does have some things for men and women, of course. But she, according to the size, she suggests that you go according to your waist size. Again, 2XL was out. That's my waist size. But I think the extra large is just me trying to get it on. You know, was the issue, was me trying to get it on. But as you can see, I got it on. Came hell of high water. I was getting this on, and it's not uncomfortable. I'm not sure if I'm gonna work out today. I may do something light because I do have some running around. My son starts school on the 22nd online. And I have to go and with him and get his computer and all of that stuff and get him registered. And he has also football workouts that are starting back today as well. So, you know, normally I would get up, have already gotten up and do my workout at least about 1 or 2 o'clock. But that's it. But I am going to wear this band as long as it took me to get on. I ain't taking it back off. So go give her a look. You can go on YouTube and put in Lubella thermal workout trainer. There's people on there. There's a few on there that did videos themselves, and then it's a few that did videos for the company. So I tended to look at the ones that just came on camera, like myself, and doing a video because, you know, I tend to believe you get a better, more true review of the product, you know, and it's not just the company picking and choosing who gave the best reviews, you know. But sorry, I keep pulling out my pants. But yeah, they also have a lot of testimonials on their IG page as well that they post. So, you know, go give it a look if you're looking for a thermal trainer. Seems to be pretty good. Not uncomfortable. I did a couple of lay down on the floor things to see if it would, you know, how it would work, if it would be uncomfortable. It's not. So I can still move in it. But yeah. So let me know what you think. Peace. Hello, I'm back. So I took my belt off. I wore it for 4 hours, and I kind of just wanted to come and show y'all the belt off. So this is the inside of it that I was trying to tell y'all. With some of them, those sweatbands, they kind of like plastic, but this is not. It's kind of like a foam plastic, but this is not. The bones of it is really flexible. I would say that this part earlier was kind of poking me in the back, but I guess if you put on a shirt under it, it'll be a little bit lenient, but it wasn't bad at all. And so this is how it looks on the inside. Again, it is an extra large. And I ain't gonna even play myself trying to put this on. They do have a video on their Instagram page of how you put it on. That kind of didn't work for me. I had to do a whole lot of laying down, getting up, using my feet. But this is how it looks when it's zipped up. And then you have, these are attached to the back, so you can kind of pull the straps however much you need, or can go, I should say. So I think with a lot of the ladies, how they know they're moving on to a bigger side, because it'll start to be really loose where you can pull it out from your body and you can't really get the straps to move anymore. So this is how it looks. The back. So I will say it did not roll up. I wore this while I was cooking, and I was a tiny bit, you know, sweaty. I didn't have a shirt on up under it. It didn't look bad, or it hides really well up under the shirt, and this shirt is fitted, and so you couldn't. I didn't think you could see it. You know, for it to be a waist trainer slash thermal sweat belt, it wasn't bad at all. But I will say it's my first time really using something like this, and I think I did good with keeping it on for 4 hours. I took it off when I broke my fast with my smoothie. I was just kind of tired of it by then. But as the days go on, I try to keep it on, you know, longer, or put it on in the morning, you know, if I feel like fighting with it, because it really was a fight to get it on. But once I got it on, it was cool. So, you know, I try to get it on early while I'm just kind of laying around. And then I have it on for some hours, you know, up until after my workout. And then I could take it off, you know, because after your workout, it's sweaty. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to be laying around in anything sweaty. So I kind of want to just be done with it after my workout, you know, until the next day. So that's my plan for it. But it's a nice belt. Very well made. Very well made. Lubella. Yeah, Lubella. So go check them out. She's on Instagram. Black-owned company. They make workout clothes. I ain't never tried none to make their workout clothes. This was the only thing that I've tried. And I'm not sure if the sale is still going. And if it was, they probably sold out, because when I got on there, they was already sold out of their regular waist trainer. And they were sold out of some of the sizes in the thermal. So that's why I got the extra large. But it works. I just got to work a little bit to get it on. So until next time, peace out.